In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to multiple devices. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Sony headphones. Keep in mind that in this video, I'm going to be talking specifically about the Sony WH-1000XM5. However, this video is also, in general, going to work for any other model that you have. So, for example, the XM4s. So all that you have to do is first enable Bluetooth on those devices. So in this example, I have a MacBook here. So you just go over to the settings, access the Bluetooth category, and then enable it by ticking this option. And of course, you can do the same on an iPhone, an Android device, and any device that supports Bluetooth connectivity. Just make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and once this is done, you will be able to set them into pairing mode. So if you look besides the power button, you will see the standard option to power it on, and then the Bluetooth symbol. So all that you have to do to enable Bluetooth is to press and hold this button for a few seconds. Usually, the first time that you power it on, it will go into pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just do as I described and hold it for a few seconds. Usually, this LED will flash blue, indicating that it is now ready to be paired. With the headphones in pairing mode, they will appear under the list of available devices, and you can choose them from under that list. And like I mentioned, this is going to work for multiple devices. As long as that specific device has Bluetooth connectivity, you will be able to choose it here, and you just have to repeat for every single subsequent device. So go into the settings, enable Bluetooth, put the headphones into pairing mode, and once all of this is done, you will be able to choose them from the list to connect. So enable, pair mode, and then connect. Once they are connected, they will remain connected as long as they have sufficient battery. If they run out of battery, they will automatically disconnect themselves, and after you charge them back up and power them on, they should automatically connect again to your device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to multiple devices. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.